Following a breaking news alert, law enforcement made 3 arrests after suspects drove a pickup truck into a gun shop and stole firearms. It happened in Greenbrier. Madison Glassman is at the WKRN.com alert desk with the details.
Mikal, the trio has been indicted in a conspiracy to steal firearms. They're accused of stealing a total of 37 firearms in 2 separate incidents. An indictment states 22-year-old Tyler Cunningham, 36-year-old Ryan Dillard, and 23-year-old Corey Summers burglarized an automotive repair shop. Then they're accused of using the vehicle to steal weapons from a firearms dealer in Greenbrier last month. You can see here in this video the damage to the family-owned gun shop after the men are accused of driving through the front entrance of the store. If convicted, the defendants face up to 5 years in prison on the conspiracy charge and up to 10 years on each theft and possession charge. If you know anything, call the ATF. Remember, News 2 brings you breaking news around the clock at WKRN.com.